9th standard portion of parallel lines, taking additional 2 plus 2 sums during these forthcoming lectures. First is your question number 5 on page number 22. In the figure, ray AE is parallel to ray BD. We draw the diagram. This is somewhat your diagram. This is the bisector, this is X, this is Y. We do the naming. E, A, F, B, C, T. We have to prove that line AF is parallel to line BC. Line AF, the blue colored line. The line AF is parallel to line BC. Already it is given that AE is parallel to BD दिया हुआ है. AF and XY, AF and BC are the bisectors of these two angles. Bisector मतलब वो angles को equal parts में cut कर रहे हैं. They are bisecting it into equal measures. So we are going to prove that now. Proof. AE is parallel to BD. This is given to you. And AB is the transversal. AB is the ट्रांसवर्सल. ठीक है. AE is parallel to BD and AB is a transversal. तो आपका Z बन रहा है, तो ये दोनों एंगल कॉमन हो जाएंगे. Therefore एंगल EAB will be congruent to angle EAB will be congruent to angle DBA. This will be alternate angles. We give it one. Alternate angles. Fine. Now it is given that ray AF is the bisector. It is given that ray AF is the bisector. Bisector मतलब दो इक्वल एंगल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है, दो इक्वल एंगल के मेजर आ रहे हैं. देयरफॉर एंगल FAB is equal to half of angle EAB. Angle FAB is equal to half of angle EAB. Okay. Therefore, 2 angle FAB is equal to angle EAB. Let this be 2. 2 angle FAB be equal to angle EAB. Then we have ray BC is the bisector. ray AF was the bisector of angle EAB. Bisector of angle EAB. Ray BC is the bisector of angle DBA of angle DBA. Okay, therefore ये जो ब्लू लाइन है इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल DBA. therefore CBA, angle CBA is equal to half of angle DBA, is equal to half of angle DBA. therefore two angle CBA is equal to angle DBA. Name this as third. Now angle EAB is congruent to angle DBA. Two angle FAB is equal to angle EAB. Two angle CBA is equal to angle DBA. ये एंगल इसके बराबर है, ये एंगल इसके बराबर है, तो हमारा 3 स्टेप से 1, 2 and 3 से therefore from 1, 2 and 3 what we get that two angle FAB is equal to twice angle CBA. Two angle FAB is equal to twice angle CBA. 2 दोनों साइड से कैंसिल हो गया. FAB, एंगल FAB is congruent to angle CBA. Angle FAB is congruent to angle CBA. But angle FAB and angle CBA form alternate angles for transversal AB. ये आपका फोर्थ है. एंगल FAB and angle CBA form alternate angle for transversal AB and FAB is congruent to angle CBA. therefore ray AF is parallel to ray BC. therefore line AF is parallel to line BC. Next question. Right after question number 5. Question number 6. A transversal EF of line AB and CD. A transversal EF of line AB and CD intersect the lines at point P and Q respectively. Ray PR and ray QS are parallel as well as bisectors of angle BPQ and PQC respectively, to prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. ये फिर से बाइसेक्टर है. वी जस्ट नेम इट. एक 0 0 से और एक x से we are going to name this. Now blue part is your given part here. Proof. Ray PR is parallel to ray QS. This is given to you, and PQ, or you can write EF also. जो क्वेश्चन में दिया वही लिख देते हैं. EF is the transversal. EF is the transversal. Therefore, what we get? Therefore, angle RPQ, angle RPQ, angle RPQ is equal to angle SQP, angle SQP, alternate angles, alternate angles. Fine. पार्ट 1, ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए क्योंकि they were parallel. This ray was parallel to this ray and this was a transversal. Now, angle ray QR, ray PR is the bisector of angle. Ray PR is the bisector of angle BPQ. Angle BPQ. Ray PR is the bisector of angle BPQ. This is given to you. Therefore, angle RPQ is equal to half of angle BPQ. Is equal to half of angle BPQ. This will be your 2. Then you have the ray QS is the bisector of angle. Ray QS is the bisector of angle CQP. The bisector of angle CQP. Ray QS is the bisector of angle CQP. Therefore, angle SQP is equal to half angle CQP is equal to half angle CQP. This will be your 3. Similar to some which we solved before. Angle RPQ is equal to angle SQP, angle RPQ is equal to angle BPQ, angle SQP is equal to angle CQP. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, therefore from 1, 2 and 3, you have half angle BPQ is equal to half angle CQP. दोनों साइड से हाफ ऑफ निकाल देते हैं. एंगल BPQ is equal to angle CQP. What is that? 4. Angle BPQ is equal to angle CQP. स्टेटमेंट जो पहले दिया था वही स्टेटमेंट, बट angle BPQ and angle CQP are pair of alternate angles for EF, angle APQ, angle BPQ and angle CQ for transversal ई एफ, ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, इक्वल है, और ये दोनों पेयर ऑफ ऑर्डिनेट एंगल्स है और ट्रांसवर्सल ई एफ है। देयरफॉर लाइन ए बी is parallel to line CD. Therefore line AB is parallel to line CD. मान लिया जाए कि इसको हम 5th दे देते हैं, from 4 and 5, from 4 and 5 line AB is parallel to line CD.